In this video, we're going to keep working on my bathroom remodel. We're going to do it right now. So the plan for this video is, now that I got the door all set and I'm comfortable with it staying there, I'm going to bump this wall out to make it a 2x4 wall. Right now it's 2.5 inches. We want to make it 3.5 inches. So I'm going to rip down pieces at 1 inch. And as I said before in previous videos, the reason I'm doing that is to get a deep box in here to make it easier for wiring. And when you put a door that's meant to go into a 2x4 wall, if you put it in a 2x3 wall, you have some issues with putting the trim on one side, where when you go to put it on, you'll have like a gap, and then you'll have to fill in between the back of the trim. And I just don't want to deal with that. So I'm going to bump that wall out, and then we're going to rip off the rest of the paneling that we can. Rip off any this paneling that we can. This wall, I'm leaving the sheetrock on this wall, but I'm going to rip all the paneling off. So that's the plan for this video. Let's get to it. One inch. I actually have a bunch of scrap left over from the living room remodel, but some of it is kind of twisted, so it might bind the saw up. But we'll see how it goes. I actually did get my framing gun back, but I am going to screw this together because I don't want to stir up a bunch of dust. Oh no, who measured that? That's better. This wall is officially done. Bumped out to a 2x4 wall. So now it's time to mask up, start doing some more demo. Well, looks like I might be replacing that sheetrock. Always find surprises. Well, because this is a nice little surprise for me, and I'm not going to be able to sleep at night knowing all this mold is in here, I'm going to rip this stuff out. So I am going to end up replacing this sheetrock. I don't think there's any saving that, no matter if I bleach it or not. Besides, the water got in here, rusted the nails, and that'll rust right through when I try and mud it and paint it. So I'm going to cut it about here. Take that out. I'll see what the backside looks like. I can spray that little section. If it's bad down there too, I'll take that out, but I'd like to avoid doing that. So I'll make a nice level line right here, cut that, take that piece out, and then I'm just gonna cut that mold out of there. So I'm gonna get it out and see what other awesome things I uncover. Ew. Ew. I don't like the looks of that paper. Okay, so this is the back side of the sheetrock. Pretty nasty, but I think a lot of this is like dirt, but there's definitely mold in there. So yeah, I'm glad I'm ripping this out. The insulation's not in bad shape at all. There you go. That light does weird things to the camera. Look at that, that's weird. Anyways, yeah, insulation looks pretty good. I'll tear that out and put some new insulation in when I go to do this outside wall. And more than likely, I'm going to take this piece off too and re-insulate all that. But right now I'm just trying to get all the mold out. So I'll take this piece out next and clean out what appears to be some kind of old nest. So didn't intend on dealing with that today, but that's what we're doing. Be very careful cutting this out. Try not to disturb too much. Surprise! Oh, gross. All solid. So if we take a closer look, all the decking boards are in good shape. There's no mold. That black is just from air weathering the wood. I took my pry bar and went around and see if there was any rot. There's no rot. And this is just stained. There's no mold on that. Insulation's in good shape. Some of this insulation had some mold on it, so I took that out. And there's my attic. Hey! You can see there's not much room for working up here, so it's another reason why I'm taking the ceiling down. I'm doing it that way, but okay, I'll put a piece of insulation in here, and I think that'll be good for now. And then, yeah, I guess I should probably clean this up. Gross. Might as well get these last two pieces off before I clean up completely. Love this tool. Alright, this is where I'm going to wrap up this video because I want to clean this up and let it air out a little bit. I'm not taking my mask off just yet. I got rid of all the mold that was on the surface out here. It looks like this is good. I'll probably end up replacing all that insulation, taking this piece off too. But we'll see how it goes. If you want to see more on the bathroom remodel, you can click hereish and hereish and check those out. And if you're just finding my channel and you want to subscribe, then go ahead and click the button down below and do so if you like the content. Thanks for watching. We'll see you over there or over there. Go ahead, click it. See ya.